I'm excited to announce that Knuula's AI is finally here. And the number one thing it's going to do for your firm right out of the gate is make everything you do on Knuula way easier. To kick things off, I'm going to show you exactly what it can do. So just ask it, what can this thing do? It knows exactly what it can do, and it's going to tell you, and it can do quite a lot. So let's see what it says. It understands templates, it understands contracts and engagement letters, clients and parties. It can do some org setup. It even has reports and insights. And most important thing that it can do is search really, really well. The easiest thing you can do right away with this agent is ask it where things are and how to find clients. So I'm going to say, show me Jamie's clients. So it needs to know who Jamie is. Hopefully it can figure that out. And then it's going to need to return all of that information. Boom, it's already done. So it filtered down to 33 clients. These are all of Jamie's clients. Let's say I'm new and I want to know a little bit more about these clients. So I'm going to say, summarize this for me. So this is happening in real time. It's going to quickly summarize all of Jamie's clients. Let's see what it comes back with. Okay, so if it looks at it by client status, it shows me which ones are active, inactive, random, all of that. By entity type, which ones are C Corps, partnerships. There we go. Oh, it even has contract volume in this little batch. So that's great. So I actually need to make an engagement letter. It's for a partnership client. So I'm going to say, show me the partnerships. Don't worry about misspellings. It can figure those things out quite easily. So now hopefully it updates the list and it is doing exactly that and it's showing me 8 partnership clients. Wonderful. I'm like, okay, let's make an engagement letter for Alex Bag Company. So Alex Bag Company needs some updates. Let's add accounting and payroll services. Okay, there we go. So I need to add some accounting and payroll services and actually send this client an engagement letter. I don't really know exactly which accounting or payroll services that I should be adding. So hopefully it comes back with some questions, which it looks like it's doing, and proposes a few services that I could add. So it came back with these accounting services as my options. These are the firm's actual services. So I'm going to go ahead and do accounting policies, monthly bookkeeping. Then for payroll, let's see, I'm going to do payroll tax deposit, and then W-2, W-3, and payroll transmission. So it came back to me and asked me these questions. Those are services our firm has already approved. So it's not making these services up from scratch or doing anything like that. These are our services that we provide that we've vetted. So now it's going to make me a proposal for adding these services for this specific client. Because anything that it does, it has to be approved by you before it can actually go ahead and update that client information. So here it is. So it came back to me with this proposal. So it's going to add accounting services, monthly bookkeeping, payroll tax, W-2, W-3, payroll transmission. Say at the last minute, I'm like, actually, we don't really need W-2. I can just do that. I can click apply. Now it's going to actually update that client for me. And then I can go ahead and send them an engagement letter. So last but not least, send them an accounting EL. So it's made the updates for this client. Last thing that I need to do on the list is actually make their engagement letter. And even that is something that you can ask directly. While I was getting ready to do that, which looks like it's already there, I want to take a note, make a note of how fast this is actually happening. This thing is working in real time. It is moving this quick. I'm not skipping anything or anything like that. This is how fast this thing actually operates. So like I said, it is the easiest way to use Knuula now, and it is ready to go for your firms. So last but not least, I can go ahead, finalize, create and send. Now I'm done. So you can find things, you can update clients, you can create the engagement letters. It knows tons of things about your templates, and we're excited for it to make everyone's life on Knuula way easier.